Okay, so today we're gonna be making some food. So first we're gonna need this mushroom. Wow. Then these beans. Then we're gonna need the broccoli. Next we're gonna need the cheese. And last of all, this burrito. Things. And wow. That was so good. What a load of Today we're gonna be cooking some food in this pot. You ruined it. Where's my bag? No! So today we're gonna be cooking some food. Today we're gonna be cooking some food.